FUD Fighters, this FUD Fighter Juice in the building, and today we are going to talk about XLN, Lunaone, and the top 5 reasons why I'm in this project, as well as what's going on in the crypto market. But first, before we jump in, I just want to say this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment education purposes only. Before we hop in on the 5 reasons why, I just want to kind of look at what's going on in the crypto market, because right now we are in a very downwards trend. I guess you could say this is as a bearish market right now. But hey, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. If you guys are inside crypto right now, this is a perfect opportunity to fill in bags or even get into new cryptocurrencies that you're in, because right now we are in extreme fear at 11, and look, last week we're at 28. So last week was still a good opportunity, but I'm still adding positions. That's why I didn't dump my whole bag into last week's, as I'm starting to increase my DCA my position, dollar cost average, into positions that I'm currently in. And I actually got into Crow, and I got in there a lot. So that's what we're doing here today. We are at $1.495 trillion. We're down 5%. Look at the sea of red. And, I was reading on some of the things, and this could be the reason. There's 3 reasons behind crypto market crash. And look at the total market cap has tanked to a 10th month low of 1.6 trillion. We're actually even lower now. Fed's interest rate hikes are driving investors back to traditional assets such as fiat currency, bonds, and cash, right? Right now, too, institutions are also cooling on crypto following an epic 2021. Right here, institutions are cooling off. So these are the big boy investors, and big boy investors right now, to me, it looks like a little bit of market manipulation and fear, and a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And a lot of these big institutions are pulling out money, and I could see it, because it's not just like a couple of specific coins that are going down. It's actually the entire market is bleeding a sea of red. And right now, I think it's just the perfect buying opportunity. If you were buying, let's go to Shiba Inu, our favorite coin right here. Shiba Inu, if you guys were buying this at 4 zeros and a 3, you guys could buy this at 4 zeros 1 6, okay? Because this is a good opportunity. Like I said, always dollar cost average in. All right. Now let's hop in to what is going on, and the 5 reasons I really feel like Luna won, and I trust this community. I love the what's it called? The commitment behind the team. I also like how they're docs, but if we go in right now, it's still at a distribution stage. So guess what, guys? Man, we put a big bag in here, not a huge bag, but we put a pretty fair amount of bag in here. And I'm just grateful that I put my money in here right now, because at the end of the day, this 25 cents is not moving. All my assets are still there because it has not been trading yet. This is the first pre-distribution coin that I ever got into, and that's why I like this project a lot. Another reason that I like this project a lot is that it has its own tailor-made blockchain. A lot of these NFTs, metaverse, platforms, they don't have their own blockchain. They would have to use something like either Binance or Ethereum or something like that. But this one has their own tailor-made blockchain, which I feel like is something that is needed, especially if you guys, coins want to get blow up in the near future. So that's one of the reasons why I'm in it. Another reason that I'm in this is because of the pre-distribution. This is the first buying opportunity that I have been into, because if you look right here on our Shiba Inu price, just like that, I always like to preference this, because this is whoever got into this area right here in their pre-distribution phase definitely won if they would hold at least for a year. And I feel like I'm at least going to hold this project throughout the year, because I do want to see what they are capable of providing to the community. And also, so that is the number 2 reason. The number 3 reason is that this community is let me see. This one is their team is doxxed, okay? And I know there's like some other projects that are not doxxed, like Shiba Inu. You know, they're you don't know who Shitoshi, you don't know who Ryoshi is, but at the same time though, we don't know who the owner of Bitcoin is. So they did it right, but then there's a lot of rugs that been coming out with people who weren't doxxed, and these people have been doxxed, and they're coming out with AMAs left and right, getting it well known out there, and I see them, you know, being engaged with the community, and also their social media and presence are very well being known out there. If you could tell right now, let's see, we'll go to their Discord. And I hopped onto this Discord when there was probably only about, about 300 members. Now there's 4,600. So you could tell that growth within the 3-week period of time. They're doing something cool. But look, if you go on their Discord, there's tons of AMAs where you get to know the CEO, the CMO, and the development team. But this is pretty interesting right here, though, that they are actually also coming out with a lot of marketing right now, okay? Because look at it right here. Lunaone is becoming a sponsor of a Super League Rugby in UK. So they're not just trying to be in the US. They're trying to make this a worldwide crypto, and that's something, you know, that is very needed if cryptocurrency or that coin wants to stay relevant inside these markets. Look at upcoming superstar advertising beamed out to 130 countries with Lunaone featured on a 200M LED sideline banners. So it's coming soon. Look at it is coming very soon. All right. So you guys stay tuned for that. It's going to be pretty dope. But I mean, just look, this project is dope because, you know, look at this mainstream access. And here's another reason why. I don't see any other metaverse projects that are like super hyped on getting on Xbox and PS5 and Oculus, and Steam and Vive. But Xbox and PS5 and Oculus alone, that is game changing to me. And once it gets on that, and just like how you could say Fortnite. All right, so look at Fortnite. When you download the game, you're gonna have to you have to, in order to buy skins and other things inside that game, you need to buy V-Bucks. Same thing that consists with Lunaone. You have to buy the Lunaone XLN token in order to buy things inside the metaverse. So I really think this is a use case scenario, and I'm just super bullish on this project, and I'm so thankful right now that none of my money's going super down. But I did add positions, and I did pick up some more XRP, because right now it's at 53 cents. I did pick up more SHIB. It's at 0.4016, and I also did increase more on Crow, which is only at 23 cents. So until next time, man, keep finding FUD. Don't let these markets scare you out your position. Don't let all this market manipulation scare you. Dollar cost averaging, and I guarantee you're gonna win. But this is not financial advice, for entertainment, education purpose only. All right, peace out, y'all.